Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to edit the heading color in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go and log into your account. After successfully logging in, you can now get started with editing your store. As you can see here, we have all the sections we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on, and we can get started with changing the color of our heading on our store. So what I'm going to do is open up my online store section right here under sales channels. After clicking on online store, it's automatically going to open up my theme section where you can see we can access our theme that we are using. So here is my theme that I can now go ahead and get started with customizing. I can click the three dots right here to edit the code and so on. So basically guys, we are going to be using this official community Shopify page right here, this thread where somebody already asked how do you alter the heading colors in the down theme. And here we have a response by official Shopify partner that told us what to do. So basically we are going to get started with editing the code. We're clicking the three dots right here and clicking edit code in the new menu that appears. After clicking edit code, it's going to open up this new menu where we can take a look at all the code options that we have and that we can edit. And as you can see, what we want to do is search for base CSS. So under assets, in this assets folder, we're going to scroll down. You can find the assets folder right here. As you can see, and under assets, we have the base CSS option. So here is our base CSS. And what we're going to be doing, guys, is just pasting this code right here. So you have this code right here that you can go ahead and paste. So copy this code, and instead of the color right here, you want to change it to whatever you want, whatever color scheme you want. You can go ahead and put the grade right here. And after editing it, whatever you want, how you want it to look, just paste it right here at the end of this code. After pasting it, you want to go ahead and save it right here. And after saving it, it's automatically going to apply to your header in your Shopify store and everybody will be able to see the new color. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.